We are back making another video on repairing our motorhome, Herman. This time it should be a simple one. I don't know if you've seen the video, but when we were in Germany, this locker flew open at 70 miles an hour and stuff started falling out of it. I know the problem, it's the latch. It's not too long, but let me show you. So you can see this gap here. This locker has always been like this, and I don't know why. I have tried to fix it before, you know, it works fine. However, it does stay up there when it's not even locked. It's not even closed properly. I can just pull it. And the catch itself, this thing that sticks out here, that just barely touches the catch. If I turn that, you can see it just barely goes in there and catches on the latch just there. Because the catch here is made of plastic, the locking mechanism, I can't really, well, I'm worried that I'm just going to break it if I put some force behind it and span around there, right? So I'm going to need to take this off. Now the only thing I can see holding this front panel on are these two screws. There's one here and there's one here. I've doused them in loosening fluid. Looking through the gap there, it doesn't look like it's connected. There's like a lip in here which I'll have to concern myself about later, but yeah, it should be fairly simple. Now what I'm going to do is I'll get to the latch, okay, when I get that off, and then I can replace it with a longer piece. This will need drilling, it needs a hole at the bottom, and it may also need bending as well, which is probably my hardest part, I would hope, because that's quite thick. Right, let's get moving. That's off now, so is that gonna, well, it's moved a bit, look. So what's stopping it now? Oh, it's still connected to this somehow. Now I thought I knew how to take this off, but it doesn't look like I do. I see this in three parts. You've got the face here, the cover of it all. You've got this metal piece here which goes all the way down to the hinge. No, it doesn't, it goes all the way down to here. And then you've got this fiberglass piece here, which that is part of the hinge. I don't want to take the metal piece off because I'm trying to avoid that so I can get me spanners in there. It's got to be just the cover. This thing here. If I'm struggling to get it off, if I do get it off, am I going to struggle to get it back on? I don't want to break it. Oh, it looks like it's coming off though. Can't get a spanner in there now. Right, let's see if this works. I've got a bit of copper pipe here. I'll flatten the end bit a bit because it's not wide enough. So if I can put that over there, then at least, and then get the spanner on, then at least I can force it against this rather than force it against the lock. Can you see that in there? So there's the nut. Oh, it moved. It moved. Oh yeah, oh wow. Really moving now. Is it finger tight even? No, just barely finger tight. So I guess I've kind of given up by releasing the front panel off. It's coming off. Now I didn't think I'd actually be able to do this. I think my little bar here saved the day. Right, it's now finger tight. Now what I don't want to do is lose the nut in the depths of this thing. Got the nut. One nut. Aha, square hole, damn it. I'm not gonna make a square hole. Flipping heck. Yeah, that that could have really broken if I forced it against the lock. It's just a spring holding it together, really. There's the difference between the two. This one, the original, has a slight bend in it. I think it was like that. The bend going upwards. So I'm going to need to do some measurements and drill a square hole with a round drill bit. So I've made my markings about where I'm going to drill my square hole. Got me drill with a 8mm bit in it. Let's see how I get on. Oh, and ignore all this rubbish on my bench, please. Yeah, that's no good. Drill bit's wonky. So the biggest decent drill bit I've got left is a 6.5. Oh, I've gone through. One slightly offset hole. So I'm going to start off with a small file. Right, and because this one, this square one, the very large square one, won't fit in the hole. I keep bashing my knuckles against this. It's hurting. First world problems, of course. Hey, look at that. I did it. Oh no, I haven't finished. It's all the way through, but I don't know if you can see that. But just there, it needs to go down a little bit more. I think I need to cut the corners out. Square them off a bit more. That's annoying. But that works fine. Brilliant stuff. Okay. Right, let's see how that fits on the motorhome. Put it in level. Alright. Then put that on. Then when you rotate, yeah, that's it. I haven't put the bend in it yet, so this might not work straight away. Oh, you are kidding me. No! Scoop it on with my fingers. Why can't I put it on? There you go. And then we can yoink, yoink, yoink. Yeah, it needs bending out ever so slightly. Well, we can deal with that. Ah, I've dropped it. No! No! Ah! I don't know how I did that. I was holding it between my fingertips, right on the ends. Okay. Let's get and bend this. And we're almost there. We're almost done. I've got the original and the new one on in my vise. Now, why I've done that is because I can now see the angle I need to bend it at, right? And now that's not going to bend with hands alone, so I've got me big hammer here. Now, here we go. I found this on the side of a road when I was parked up in Herman. How lucky am I? Right, here we go. See if this works. Well, my workbench is moving. Oh, it's moved. There we go. There we go. It's, oh, I wouldn't say it's perfect, but it's 99% there. That was easier than I thought it would be. Oh, jeez. Nice one. Look at that, comparing with the original. Fantastic. It looks too much of an angle now. Let's find out. Might have to knock it back. Oh yeah, I keep forgetting about that. Oh! Fantastic. Take a look at this. Wonderful. Look how snug that is behind there now. Fantastic. Now I've just tightened it down a lot more, and now look, and now look at it. Now watch. I can't get it out. It's rubbing too close to this. I might bend it back a bit, just a tad, so it doesn't touch the bodywork here. I'm now ready to fit this. I've just painted it up a nice horrible beige. That's the only paint I had. It was that or white, and I didn't want white. It's Hammerite spray on. Yeah, so I'm going to fit that, and we should all be good. You know, I thought I wasted my time with undoing these screws here, but actually they've given me a bit more room to get my fingers in there and the spanner and whatever. So I'm glad I've done that. There you go, sorted. So if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, and if you like this kind of nonsense, then why not consider subscribing. Until next time, until the next time I need to repair something on Herman, that is, bye bye. Thanks for watching. Don't like the beige.